Hello students, welcome. In this session, we'll see definition, declaration and accessing the members of a union, comparison of a structure in a union with an example program. Learning objective is to understand union initialization, accessing union members, comparison with the structure variables. Session outcomes: you should be able to understand how to do union initialization, how to access the union members, and comparison with the structure variables to understand what's the difference between a union and a structure. Prerequisites: you should have learned first 3 units. Let's get to the definition and declaration of a union. Union is a collection of variables of different data types in the same memory location. Whereas in the structure, it has been the different memory locations, whereas in the union, it's in the same memory locations. So, union is a collection of variables of different data types in the same memory location. Right? We can define a union with many members, but at any given point of time, only one member can be accessed. Right? The syntax is like this. Union, you have to use the union as a keyword, union, and the union name. This union contains name, age, and percentage, and the union variable is S1. This is how you will declare a union. Accessing the members of a union, you can access the members of union using a dot operator, just similar to a structure. Assume if you have a union like this, union student, and the union members being name, age, and percentage, and the union variable is S1. Then to initialize the age, I'll be using S1.age equal to 25. To access the percentage, I'll say S1.percentage or a percent. It will give me a float, it will give me the floating value. I'll put it in the res variable. Then let's see comparison of structure and union with an example program. Union differs from the structure in the following ways. In a union, all the members share the same storage location, whereas in structures, as you have seen, they share different memory locations. So the members of a structure share the different memory locations, whereas in union, they all share a same memory location. That's why in union, only one member is accessible at any given point. While in structures, you can access all the members at the same time. And in structures, the total amount of storage reserved will be the sum of sizes of all the members. Let's see here in this struct student, the structure, and you have a character name, int age, and float percentage, and S1 is a variable. Here S1 is allocated. This character, one character will have a 1 byte. So now I am declaring a name of 20 characters, so it will be 20 bytes plus 2 bytes for this integer age and 4 bytes for this percentage, which is a float type. 20 plus 2 plus 4 would be 26 bytes. Thus the storage reserved for a structure is the sum of the sizes of all the members. While in the union, the memory is reserved only equal to the size of the largest member. Here, union student, out of this name, age, and percent, this name takes 20 bytes, age takes 2 bytes, float takes 4 bytes. Out of this name is bigger because it takes 20 bytes. So the memory allocated to the union would be the size of the largest member, that is 20 bytes, right? So structure is allocated with the 26 bytes, whereas a union is only reserved for a 20 bytes. These are differences between the structure and a union. Just a recap, it's a collection of variables of different data type but in the same memory location. This is a union, right? We can define a union with many members, but at a given point of time only one member contains a value. And union elements occupy same memory locations, unlike structure. And union members are accessible using a dot operator. These are the references which you can refer. Thank you.